Morning guys, Jeff with HKS Systems Lock and Safe. Just wrapping up the Mosler door that we did, the big old double door. I didn't do a lot of video there. It was a death in the family, so it was sort of a weird situation, but just discussing with you. If you're familiar with the Sargent and Greenleaf system, the Mosler block is similar, but it's not the same. You can see fence locations are completely different on these two, so if you were drilling for one and another one was behind the door, it would cause issues. It's a very similar size. Obviously it does work technically the same, but totally different thing. About 85% of the safe locks you'll run into are going to use the 1/4x28 spindle system. These guys are the oddballs for the Mosler 302s, which are the either 302 or 402, depending if it's a 3-wheel or a 4-wheel. But yeah, they use a different diameter, so you can't really retrofit that. Sometimes they have the spindle holes are drilled specifically that size, so it's a pain in the butt. And that's what screws into your driver, so you sort of need to use in that. This is the kit from Big Red. Like I said, really nice company. And it does come with extended bolts if you need that. Sometimes they do have longer bolts, not a big deal. They all come really nice kit. Not cheap, but really nice kit. Includes trim ring. For those that don't know, Big Red is a company that makes basically, like, to me, a better version than Sargent and Greenleaf makes of the Sargent and Greenleaf locks. Their handles are rubber coated, which is really nice. They have a good, real nice grip on them, and well made. I have not had any issues with them. They have some kind of a design system where it's supposed to be that it never goes slips numbers, which Sargent and Greenleaf sometimes does. Not very common, but sometimes happens. Anyways, if you need that, give us a call. We have those in stock. It's the Mosler 302, 402s. I do have all the different finishes for the dials and rings as well for Sargent and Greenleaf, which I don't really sell that much of anymore unless you request it. Big Red is a better company and a cheaper price, so saving you guys money. What we're doing today then is just got back from the job, so all we're doing is we're doing a little preventative maintenance. We used only 2 scopes, which is the big long thin one there. 3/16 inch hole through, it ended up being about 5 inches of steel, so that was a pretty deep drill. Went through a couple drill bits on that one. And I used, I believe I used that 70. So all I'm doing is cleaning them up. After every job, I always take the alcohol wipes and clean it up. It's not for COVID or anything, it's just literally to get all the grease and grime and dust off of them. You don't want backup residue on that stuff. Same as the drill rig, I'll usually just do a quick wipe down with oil on the threads, because they're super fine threads on the drilling presses for those, and if they get gummed up with dust and debris, it can clog that up and seize up on you, and you do not want that. That's a $1,000 drill rig. So I'm just going to clean these guys up. I do that after every opening, get the oil and debris off of it. These are medical grade scopes, so they are expensive. That's probably worth more than my work van is. So yeah, clean them up, make them last forever, and as long as you don't drop them or crack them, they'll last you a lifetime. So we'll be back. I'm going to post up some pictures probably right before this section, and hopefully we'll see you guys. I'm probably taking a little bit of time off to get some family issues done, and we'll be back. If I run into something cool, I'll upload it. If not, you guys have a good day. If you need that safe stuff done, you give Jeff a call. HKS Systems Lock and Safe, 847-204-7046. Take care, guys.